My name's John Bradshaw. Everybody calls me Limey, specifically because I'm from England originally. Came over here in '95, went to theological school in Tulsa. Decided it was time for a change in life. Hit that midlife area and saw an ad on Facebook for the National RV Training Academy, the NRVTA. That looked like something I would be really interested in, something that would be fun, something that would give me the freedom to travel wherever I wanted to in the country. My experience at the NRVTA, wow, amazing, incredible, can't say enough. As you're doing the hands-on training, because it's not just the theory, the book stuff, but it's that hands-on, getting in there and trying to figure out what's going on with each individual component, be it a refrigerator, be it an air conditioner, be it a water heater, be it the slide on the side of the rig. When you get out there in the real world, you've at least done it a couple of times. So you've got a little bit more confidence in going out there and actually doing this for a living and actually making a career out of helping people fix their RVs and keep their RVs on the road. If you want a life-changing experience, come to the NRVTA. Give it everything you got and put everything you got into it, because it will change your life for the better.